Hi guys, a very good evening. So this is first time I'm using the software that is called Be Live, and I believe I should be live on my Facebook group as well as on my page. So if you're here and if you can see me and if you can hear me, just type clear so that I know that I'm actually live and people can see me. Okay, what's happening? Mm, Okay, I can see a person. Okay, cool. So I believe I am live, guys. I am hoping that I'm live. Okay, cool, super cool. So still, it's a Diwali time that is going on, and I was just sitting and I was just thinking, what is it that I can create a beautiful session specifically for entrepreneurs. So if you know me, I'm sure you know that I actually train to entrepreneurs on mindset and skills that helps them to succeed and live a beautiful life. Okay. So if you're an entrepreneur and if you're seeing me, just type entrepreneur in the chat box. Okay, cool. So okay, so I don't know how comments will come here. In either case, the show must go on. So I'll just, be in the flow and talk about today's session. So today's session, as I was thinking, what is it something that I should talk about? I just thought, why not talk about something that completely changed the course of my life? And if somebody would have told me this 3 years, 4 years ago, then things would have been really very different. What I have done in last 5 years, I would have done it, in 1 year. So I thought, while thinking of that, I thought, I created this session. And today's session name is Style Your Mind for Success. Okay. And you might be thinking, what is this Style Your Mind for Success? Well, Style Your Mind for Success means how you can basically hack your own mind for success. Okay, now this is a beautiful question that comes to me. What is success? Every Now let me tell you very honestly, success is different for different people. Okay, I have found the best definition of success that was given by Earl Nightingale. Okay, and that definition is, success is progressive realization of your worthy goal. Okay, so if you are doing what you should be doing and you are pursuing that every single day, okay, that is success. Success is not a destination. Success is not that you earn this much of money, you create this much of company. I mean, that will be there. Okay, but ultimately success is all about the journey, what you are doing, how you are doing, the path you are traveling. And that's what I'm here for. And I truly believe that, I think this was the one question that was in my mind when I went on my re-education journey. Why is it that some people are super successful, whereas most of them around, if I see around, they are struggling? What differently are they doing? Okay, and you know what, I finally got the keys, and from that I'm going to share with you today 3 keys on how you can take, how you can have your more success and more happiness in your life. Okay, so if you can see me, just, or if you can hear me, or if this makes sense, and if you're excited to learn these 3 secrets, just type excited in the chat box. um let me type here. Okay, excited. Let me see if I can see your comments. So it is saying me, due to some Facebook restrictions, we can't see the names and profile of people. I don't know what it is, guys, but it is saying me that I can't see the comments. Oh my God, this is not happening. Anyways, no problem. I'll just continue with what I have to share. I so much wanted to really interact with you guys, but due to some technical issues, I don't see comment section over here. I don't know, but anyways, as I promised to give value today, let me share some very important concepts. So today I'm going to share about how you can style your mind for success. And these are the concepts that you might have not, we have never heard these concepts in our schooling education. And I really feel that schooling never taught us what works in the real world. Okay, how you go out and do business, or how you basically communicate with people, how you get results in your real life, or how you even live your life. That all is something that's not taught in school, and this I learned a lot from my mentors. And when I learned all this, I decided that because schooling has not taught us what works in the real world, I need to go out and give this to people. Okay, so great, I got one comment. Okay, uh, okay, let me see. Material success is not actually very true. Wonderful input, Vishal. So material success is okay. I mean, that is also success. I really believe that people should live a very good and luxurious life, but that is not it. Okay, there's so much more to success. I mean, it has to be fulfillment. You enjoy the journey, the everyday, how you live. You know, it's all about enjoying the journey, feeling the moment. Okay, ultimately, what you get, that is fruit. So ultimately, if you're on the right path, you will get those fruits. Okay, so I will say material success is important, but life is much bigger than that, and success and fulfillment is much bigger than that. Okay, so thank you so much, Vishal, for sharing this. I'm glad to see your comment. Okay, so let me share with you today my mind map. So I just thought, let me create a beautiful mind map so that I can share with you three powerful secrets. Number one, what goes in the mind of top 5%? How do they really think? And why it is important for you to think? Because success is 80% psychology and 20% tools and techniques. This is a beautiful quote that is given by Anthony Robbins. And earlier, frankly, I couldn't understand this quote, but today, when I look back, I feel this quote in my bones. Okay, success is 80% psychology and 20% tools, techniques. Okay, and hence the thought process becomes very, very important. Second thing, I really want to share with you something, and that is, what are the top skills that entrepreneurs must develop? I mean, if you don't have these skills, it's very difficult for you to even survive in the industry or take your business to the next level, because these skills are the core. Okay, so I'm going to share with you that. And third, I'm also going to talk about what these champions do every day to train their mind. Okay, what differently do they do? And these are very simple hacks that you can use in everyday life. Okay, so if you're excited, or if you are, you would really like to learn more on this, just type learn more in the chat box so that I can see you and I can acknowledge you. I can see excited. So, okay, so this is interesting. So, what is happening in this software? I think people who can see me from my group, I can see their names. But if you are seeing me from the my Facebook group, then it is showing me Facebook user, wherein I cannot see your name. In either case, any person who has written excited, thank you so much for sharing your comment. Okay, so this is what technology is. Okay, so let me share with you my mind map. If you can see my mind map, just type C. Okay, I'll just share my screen. Super cool. Okay. Okay, I have shared my mind map. Can you see? If you can see my screen, just type C in the chat box. Okay. If you can see my screen, just type C in the chat box. I am going to share with you my mind map. Let me share again. Okay. I have to. Okay, I have to show in the stream. Okay, cool. Guys, can you see my mind map? If you can see my mind map, just type C in the chat box. Okay. So this is the mind map. Let me. How should I use this? Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, so this is something new I'm doing. So give me a moment, guys, to check it out, how it is looking. Yeah, I think this is much better. Okay. Now, let me share with you in this mind map, what are the top 3 things that I want to share with you. Okay. So number 1, how you can style your mind for success. Okay, so I'm going to talk about 3 things, that is power of your thoughts, top skills that you need uh, to develop as an entrepreneur, and what differently top 5% people do to train their mind on day-to-day basis. Okay, so let me start with power of thoughts. Okay, let me start with power of thoughts. Okay, so there's something beautiful about thoughts. If you will see, I mean, there's so much people talk about thoughts, people talk about law of attraction, and there is a lot and lot of things that goes around when we talk about thought. Okay, so what thought is every moment what you are thinking, that is thought. Okay, so in a very simple word, what is thought? Thought is every moment whatever you are thinking, that is a thought. Okay, so let me share with you first point about thought, that is your thoughts become your reality. Okay, now what does this mean? Let me share this with you. Okay, Okay, cool. So what do I mean by thoughts become reality? Well, see if you will see a human body, we are made out of atoms, okay? Like this human body, what it is atom, okay? So what actually thought is whatever you are emitting, whatever you're thinking in your mind, it emits, right? वो बाहर निकलता है. So इसीलिए क्या होता है, whatever you are thinking today will be your reality tomorrow. Have you ever experienced in your life before that you are thinking about something a lot, and all of a sudden you got that thing in your life? Okay. How you will get that, you will not know, but you just got that thing. So why does this happen? Because you are thinking on something that you really want. So basically you are vibrating. Okay, आप एक level पे vibrate करते हो ना. Vibration मतलब क्या होता है, जैसे you listen to a radio, है ना, रेडियो. सो 92.7 एफएम चलता है, 94.3 एफएम चलता है, 98.4 एफएम चलता है. सो दे आर रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी, अलग अलग फ्रीक्वेंसी पे ये लोग वाइब्रेट करते हैं. So if you are somebody who really wants to achieve your dreams, you have some goals that you really want to achieve, and if you feel I'm trying a lot but still I'm not able to do that, the biggest reason can be a thought. ठीक है. और थॉट्स क्या होता है, why people don't get the results? Lot of times I've seen lot of entrepreneurs, they're very skillful, they're very talented, but still they don't get results. They're working very hard. Why does that happen? Because your 80% of the game is mindset. Okay, so if you are doubting yourself, हम अपने आप को doubt कर रहे हैं, या you are constantly thinking that no, I cannot do this, or you're really scared, you're fear of success, fear of failure, fear of लोग क्या कहेंगे. Okay, fear of what if I'm going to build everything and it's going to collapse. There are a lot of fears that people go through. Okay, और ये fears कहाँ से आते हैं? It can be through your past, this your childhood conditioning, or you might have seen something in your family, some incident has happened in your life because of which there are fears. Okay, and because of these fears, you are not able to vibrate the thought that you need. Okay, so your thoughts are your reality. What if I tell you your every thought is a cost of $1 million? Will you think differently? Definitely you will, right? So what happens is, when I talk about a thought becomes a reality, obviously you cannot think each and every thought, you cannot monitor your each and every thought, but ultimately you can measure, you can see the percentage of thoughts which are positive and which are negative. Because the first step to change is awareness. Okay, first step to change is always awareness. So there's a beautiful universal law that I have learned from Harv Eker when I was going through the learning journey. And you know what he said? He said something very beautiful, and that was, your thoughts leads to, okay, okay, so cool. Cool. Fine. So your whatever you focus on expands. Okay. Harv Eker, he is extremely renowned, best-selling author, and he's extremely known in the personal development industry. So when I was learning from him, he said, whatever you focus on expands. It means whatever you will give attention to will expand. It means if you will start focusing on your income, okay, you will have more income. If you will start focusing on your goals, and if you'll start just thinking about your goals, you will start attracting that in your life. Okay, so it is so simple, but a lot of times we live in a complicated world wherein we want things very complicated. ऐसा भी होना चाहिए, वैसा भी होना चाहिए, अच्छा ये होना चाहिए, कुछ rocket science होगा, कुछ अलग ही करते होंगे ये top 5%. And let me tell you, I was also there when I was going through the learning journey, and I learned things are so simple. I realized, oh my god, I have complicated my life, I have complicated my business. Actually things are very simple. Okay, so what happens is, whatever you focus on will expand. So it means you have to focus only on what you want and what you don't want. Okay, but the problem is, like I do a lot of one-on-one session with entrepreneurs. I have my inner coaching circle. Just a second, guys. Okay, so I have my inner coaching circle, and I talk to entrepreneurs. The biggest challenge is they're focusing on what they don't want rather than what they want. Okay, they are constantly thinking about what they don't want rather than what they want. Okay, so how you can work on what you want and how you can attract magnificent results in your life? Do you want to know the secret? If you want to know the secret, just type secret in the chat box. Super cool. So I can see Vishal is here, and there's one more user which name is not coming. Thank you guys for being here. Okay. So I'm going to share with you some secrets on how you can, channelize your mind like top 5%, and every day how you can focus on what you want and not on what you don't want, so that you can attract whatever you want in your life. Okay. So but these tips I'm going to share at the end of this session. Okay, this session is of next 15 minutes more. After that, I'm going to share some of the amazing tools and techniques. Okay. All right, now let me share with you second point, which is so important, and that is let me share this over here. Yeah. How do I share this? Okay, cool. No, not this, like this. Yeah, cool. I want to share with you what are the top 5 skills that you need to master. So if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a business owner, you must master these 5 skills. Okay. And these 5 skills can be it can completely change the course of your life. It can completely change the course of your business. And this is something, I feel every entrepreneur in the world should have these skills. Okay. Let me share this. And after going through 12 different programs, and learning from the best mentors, I have figured out the best thing that people teach. Okay. And these are the secrets of top 5%. Okay, so let me share with you what are the top 5 skills that you need to master if you want to stand, if you want to create your own league and you want to stand apart from the world. Okay. Number 1, communication skill. Okay. Now communication skill is something that is so I'll tell you, underrated. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah. So communication skill is something that's so underrated. Now, let me tell you very honestly, even if you have world-class product, even if you have world-class services, or even if you're doing well in your life or you're not doing well in your life, the kind of results you will produce will depend a lot on your communication skills. Okay. What you say, what you do not say, how you go along with people, what you say to people, what you don't say to people, everything is communication. And if you will see, 80% of your life is about communication. Either you're communicating with yourself or you're communicating with others. Okay. And as a business owner, you are wasting your millions and millions of hours and your dollars if you do not know how to communicate well. Okay. So the first skill I highly recommend for any entrepreneur in the world is communication. And if you are part of my inner circle, or if you are in my inner circle, you will see that people who go through my courses, the first course that they go through along with the live sessions is communication mastery, because it is just like building the foundation, building the basic. Because if you don't have this base ready, I cannot give you anything more. Okay. So apart from your mindset, the first skill that you need to develop is the art of communication. Okay. Now let me share with you what are the other skills that you need to develop. Okay, cool. So how do I show this? Okay, I'll show you like this. Cool. Yeah. The second skill that is my favorite one, and that is called people skills and influence. Okay. Now you might be thinking, what is people skills and what is influence? Well, yeah. So people skills and influence is your ability to get along with people, your ability to understand people, your ability to get yes from them. Okay. And these are the skills that you must have, because if you don't have this, you are going to struggle so much. So, there's a beautiful line that I read somewhere, and that is, if you don't understand people, you don't understand business. Okay. And that's so true, because as a business owner, you are dealing with your team members, you're dealing with your clients, you're dealing with your new clients, you're dealing with your existing clients, you're dealing with your stakeholders, you're dealing with your investors. So most of your time you are spending with people. Okay. So it is very, very important for you to know how people think, what drives them, what you should say, how you should say, how you should give them feedback, how you should get work done from them, how you should create winning teams, how you should train your team members, how you should get them to your side, and how do you handle difficult people. Okay. And if you have your clients, and how you confidently ask for your charges, how you delight your clients, how you retain your clients. Okay, all this comes under your people skills and influence. And let me tell you guys, if you can just work on your this one skill, you have no idea where you can take your business to. Okay, so the second skill that you must develop is your people skills and influence. Okay, so and if this is something that you're excited to learn more about, just type learn more in the chat box. Super awesome. Let me share with you now the third skill. Okay. The third skill that I love, and this is something I share even in my inner circle, and that is called presentation power. Now, presentation power is your ability to speak in front of a large group of people. Okay, and a lot of times, I've seen entrepreneurs say, "We don't present. We are not trainer. We are not speaker. Why should we learn this skill?" Well, let me tell you, you will be surprised to know this. When I learned this presentation, mainly I learned it in Train the Trainer program. I was learning it from international trainer, that is Blair Singer. And he basically qualifies people to be ready for international stages. And when I went through that program and when I came and I implemented it in my business, I was able to take my business to the next level. And most important, I was able to create a bigger impact. You know why? Because just using this one skill, presentation skills, you can increase your sales, you can delight your clients, you can retain your clients, you can train your team members, you can share your story with the world, you can impact the world. Okay, and most important, the best part is, like, if you will see right now, I am giving presentation. So if, like, for example, whatever number of people there are, like, you're giving presentation of 30 minutes and 10 people are watching you. Okay, so what is the time? You are investing 10 minutes, but you are taking time of 10 people 30 minutes. So it's 30 into 10, which is 300 minutes. But if you will do the same job on one-on-one basis, it's going to take so much of your time. Okay, and if you will see Steve Jobs, he was the one who used the power of presentation to launch Apple products and to educate about his products to the world. Okay, so this is the power. And as an entrepreneur, it is your responsibility to go ahead and share your messages to the world, share your product and services with the world very confidently, and reach out to more and more people. Okay, so if that is something that would set you apart from the rest, it will help you work smart and not hard. Because one thing I really believe for entrepreneurs is, you don't have to burn yourself 14 to 15 hours in order to get amazing results in your life. Okay, you just have to work smart. Okay, so if you are somebody who would like to work smart, just type work smart in the chat box. Cool. Let me share with you the next skill, that is, okay. This skill is, master your thoughts or personal mastery. So as I said, this is like, I can talk about this subject for the rest of my life, and that is how you can master your thoughts. So see, what is personal mastery? Personal mastery means leading yourself. Okay, because if as an entrepreneur you cannot lead yourself, how are you to lead others? Okay, so personal mastery is all about managing your thoughts and your emotions. Okay, so I have seen, some entrepreneurs, anything happens, they just lose their state, they just blast like a volcano. Okay, they are being very rude to their employees, they lose their state, they talk very rudely. Okay, all these are emotions. Okay, unable to manage their emotions, unable to handle their emotions, unable to handle negative thoughts. And if that will be your life, then even if you have 100 crores in your bank account, you will never be fulfilled. Okay, and that's the power of emotion. Okay, that's the power of working on your thought, that you need to, in spite of the fact whatever is happening in your life, you have to manage yourself, you have to manage your thoughts, and you have to lead by an example. And that's the reason that you're an entrepreneur. Okay, and if you feel you can't handle that pressure, it's better that you be an employee rather than an entrepreneur. Okay, because if we are an entrepreneur, we have a bigger responsibility to serve the nation, we have the bigger responsibility to create a bigger impact, right? And in order to do that, you really have to be mentally strong, you need to be able to understand yourself, you need to manage your thoughts, and most important, you need to manage your negative thoughts. Okay, so if this is cool, just type cool in the chat box. Great. Now let me share about fifth skill. What is the fifth and the most important skill that people develop in my inner circle? Let me share that with you. Okay, so the fifth skill is work smart and not hard. Okay, this is one of the most important skill that you can develop as an entrepreneur, that is art of working smart and not hard. Okay, now how do you do that? Well, very simple. For example, for me, I was doing corporate trainings once upon a time, and I started off as a freelance trainer. I just realized my passion for training. I became a freelance trainer, and then I just had a desire that I want to reach out to more people. Okay, and because of that desire, I attended one of the session, and in that session, I realized, oh my God, these trainers are doing really good job. They are addressing to a lot of people. Why can't I do that? And because of that thing, I realized that I don't know a lot of things and I need to learn. Okay, so I went ahead and I learned from the best of the best mentors, went through 12 different courses back to back, back to back, back to back. And in each and every course I got, some magic wands. Okay, how I have to communicate, how I have to do my business, how I have to drive sales, how I have to get results from people, how I have to be mentally strong. Different program, different results. Okay, and what that program has done, those programs has done, what I would have achieved in 10 years, I have achieved in 1 year. Why? Because I have just gone on a re-education journey. I have learned from my mentors. I have taken that and I've applied in my life. Okay. And I remember there was a breakthrough that happened last year when I just decided one day there were 70 entrepreneurs came in my room. It was, a beautiful seminar that I took. I think, yeah, 70 entrepreneurs came in my room. I gave a free session, and out of 70, close to 15 or 20 people bought my first level of product. And that was the first time I started creating a better income as well as a better impact in the world. Okay, so this is the power of working, smart. Otherwise, what I would have done, I would have spoken to each and everybody. Then, I would have closed the deals, and it would have been very, very, it takes a lot of your time, and you get very less results. And the only reason that I was burning myself and I was not getting results was because I was using all my head and relying on traditional methods which do not work today anymore. Okay, so as an entrepreneur, you must learn skills and mindset so that what others achieve in 10 years or 12 years or maybe never, you will be able to shorten a span of time and you will be able to achieve the same results in a span of 1 year or 2 year maximum. Okay, how many of you would like to work smart and not hard? If you would like to work smart and not hard, just type work smart in the chat box. And in my inner community, all these people, I call these entrepreneurs as wowpreneurs, because wowpreneurs are people who believe in working smart and not hard. Okay, who want to create business but at the same time live a very happy and fulfilled life, who want to be so polished that you have all the skills required to cope up with your day-to-day challenges, and you become the best version of yourself and you become much bigger than your problem. So there's nothing in the world that can shake you. Okay, that's the idea of being a wowpreneur. Okay, so if you like this idea or if you understood this idea, just type wow in the chat box. Okay, so wowpreneurs. I was just thinking, what is the word that I want to give to these people? And the first word came to me was wow. And then I realized entrepreneur becoming wowpreneur. Okay, so this is super cool. Great. Amazing. Now let me share with you the last secret of today, and that is called okay, how top 5% train their mind on. So, and these are the tips that I use on regular basis. So these tips are something that you can instantly apply in your life and you can attract magical results in your life. Okay, so let me share 4 tools that will help you, some tools that will help you train your mind every day to get results that you desire. Okay, 4 very simple but instantly you can use these tools. Okay, number 1, have goals. Okay, now you will say, what is it to have goals? What does this mean? Well, let me share that with you. Okay, now what is a goal? See, it's a very simple, like you have, if you have ever used a Google map, the first question that Google map will ask you is where you want to go. Okay, that's your destination, where you want to go. Okay, so that's what goal is, because if you are not clear where you are going, you will go anywhere. Okay, very simple. So you must have goals. And how you can have goals? You should have absolute clarity of what you want. And how do you know what you want? Ask yourself. Okay, ask yourself. You are the magic. All the answers are within you. Ask yourself. Do not get carried away that this person is doing this person is doing that, so I should also do that. No, then you will be another person who will be part of the rat race and you will not get amazing results in your life. Okay, the best part is your goals are your own and you know inside what is it that you want. It can be more money, it can be a luxurious life, it can be a beautiful relationship, it can be passive income, it can be a super profitable business, it can be number of clients that you want, it can be a winning team that you want, or you want to travel. I don't know, there can be some goal that you must have, and it should be very, very, very specific. Or maybe you have a health goal that I want to reduce my weight by 10 kgs in next 2 months. So that is a very, very specific goal. Okay. Or much better than this is, I want to reduce 10 kgs of my weight in next 2 months by going to the gym, or going for the morning walk, also following the diet. Okay. So there are two things happening in this goal. Number one, you are absolutely clear what you want. Number two, how you will achieve that, that is also clear. So a lot of time, the biggest mistake a lot of people do is they just think positive, but they don't take any action. Let me tell you, you won't get any results if you will not take action. Okay, things will not come from the sky and they will not fall on your lap. No, you have to work, you have to take action, and you have to take the right action. You have to take the smart action. Okay, so just set goal, any of it. So there are different areas of your life. You can set health goal, you can set relationship goal, you can set maybe influence goals if you are an influencing personality. You can set business goals, you can set sales goals, or you can set a family goal. Doesn't matter. Okay, the point is, what is or spiritual goal, like recently I've started setting spiritual goals for myself. So what is it that you want? What is your calling? Set goals according to them. Okay, so because clarity is the first step to change. Okay, so set goals. Number two, let me share this with you. This is again something that you can instantly apply. Okay, and this is my personal favorite. Let me share this with you. Very simple. Vision board. Okay, how many of you heard about vision board? Okay, now what is a vision board? Very simple. It is a board, or it is a chart wherein you share about what you want in your life. And I'll tell you, when I was doing freelancer, and I just transited to being an entrepreneur. So if you know me, I'm an accidental entrepreneur. I never thought I'll be an entrepreneur. I just always thought I will be world-class trainer. But fate has some other plans, and I became an accidental entrepreneur. So when I was first time, I was transiting from freelancer to corporate training. I just read about vision board and I just created my vision board. Okay, so vision board is a simple, you create a chart, and on chart paper you just have pictures of what you want in your life. So what I did, I just took out 5 pictures of the companies I wanted to work with, because that time I was really passionate to work with corporate companies. There were some of my dream companies I wanted to work with. I had put a picture of a car. I didn't have car that time. I was driving from my two-wheeler. And third picture was of my laptop, the laptop that right now I'm using. It's an Apple laptop. So I had just shared these 3 pictures, and I think in the span of next 3 months, out of those 5 or 6 companies, 4 companies called me by their own, and I worked with them. Okay. Number 2, I got Apple laptop within next 3 months, and I got my car within 1 year. Okay. And all this, after I experienced all this, I was like, oh my God, this is something that works. And you know why it works? Because it's all about in the mind. Whatever you focus on expands. And if you're focusing and if you're thinking about your goals, you are desiring, that is what you will have in your life. Very simple. Okay. And because it's a vision board, you can see it every day. Just if you can see it in the morning and before sleeping, just sleep. How it will happen, you don't have to worry about that. You have to be very concerned what you want. You have to be very specific with what you want. Even if you want money, you have to be very specific how much money you want and how you will achieve that money. Okay. If you want a particular health, you can share that. If you want a certain kind of hairstyle, or some you better say stamina, anything that you want, just put it on your vision board. Just on a chart paper, take out some pictures, put it on the vision board of what exactly you want, and just see that vision board 2 to 3 times in a day. That's it. If you can do that, you have no idea how universe is going to support you. Okay. So that's my second tool that I love using, and I highly recommend you to use that. Okay. Next, I want to share with you is the third tool, which is very simple tool, and that is called gratitude. Okay. So let me share what I have in gratitude. Okay. I'll just share with you something. See, let me share this with you. Okay. Can you see this? This is a bowl in my room. And if you will see here, yeah, if you can see this, these are all gratitude stones. Okay. So for me, because I forget, so whenever in my day I see this gratitude stone, I'm like, thank you. I just say thank you. Like right now, if I'm seeing the gratitude stone, I'll say thank you so much that I'm taking this live streaming session and I'm able to share my knowledge, whatever I have, with the world. And I'm so freaking happy and I'm so grateful for that. Okay. So I saw this and I just said, I'm grateful for this. And Oprah said something very beautiful. Somebody said to Oprah, Oprah, you have everything and hence you are grateful. And she said, no, I was grateful and hence today I have everything. Okay, so that's the most beautiful, I would say, pieces of advice on gratitude that I've got. Because whatever whatever you appreciate, you get that more in your life. Just see, even human beings, if you will appreciate to anybody for something, they will be more inclined towards you, right? That's a human nature. So same is with the energy. Everything is energy. So the moment you start practicing gratitude, thank you, just start saying, like, and we take things so much for granted. I mean, I'm sure in the COVID you might have seen people take things so much for granted, like every day, the way you get up, the place that you stay, the people you are with, the bonds that you have, the talents that you have, the gifts you have, the desires that you have, the food that you eat every day, the comfortable living that you have. Like right now, I'm taking this session and I'm so blessed that in the environment there is no noise, because I was really pissed off at one point of time. I was not able to take session because there was a lot of noise happening around. But right now I'm able to take this session, in a very serene way. The environment is very serene. There's no noise. And I'm so gratitude for that. Okay. So we take things so much for granted, but there's so much every day in your life to be thankful for. And what you're doing by this, more you're thankful for, more universe will give you opportunities to be thankful for. And I am so excited for this. Okay. So if you will be practicing gratitude every day, just type thank you in the chat box. Okay. Because gratitude means, so these are the gratitude. I wish I could have shared these stones on the internet, but digital, there are some challenges, so I can't share these stones with you guys. But I would definitely recommend you to have some beautiful gratitude stones on your desk or anywhere wherein you can see them every day, and they just remind you that how beautiful your life is, and there's so much that in your life you need to be thankful for. Okay, great. So my favorite color is green. So I really like to use green color. Okay, cool. Now let me share with you the last tool, and that is, okay, cool. So the last tool is, how do you feel? Well, amazing. The best way to know that what you're attracting in your life or how you can hack your mind for success is ask yourself how I am feeling right now. Okay. Am I feeling, the answer will be, yeah, good, okay, not so good, angry, frustrated, these kind of, because it's a feeling. Feeling means an emotion that you're experiencing. And if you're experiencing any negative emotion, cut, change that and start practicing gratitude. Okay. So for example, if you're pissed off, oh my God, there's so much of traffic and I'm getting late, cut that. I'm so blissful. It's a beautiful morning and I'm in my car or I'm in my two-wheeler and I'm going to the office. Okay. So it's very important that you switch, because the more you're going to feel negative, you will be away from attracting the right things in your life. Okay. So, yeah. All right. Super cool. So thank you so much, Amit, for sharing this. Thanks to you also for listening to this. So I hope, guys, today's session was useful. Let me share with you what did I cover today. So I was able to cover how, your thoughts give you your reality. Whatever you're thinking today will be a reality tomorrow. It is a fact, because we all are human beings. We are operating at a certain vibrational frequency. Okay. Next, I want to share, I shared with you what are the skills that you need to develop as an entrepreneur. That is, you have to work on your communication skills, people skills, then your presentation skills, and how you can use these skills to take your business to next level. Okay, that's your business sense. That's very, very important. How you can master yourself, how you can master your thoughts, how you can master your emotions. Okay, so ultimately, you need to have these things in place if you really want to create an impact in the world, and if you want to stand out, or if you want more success. Okay. And third, and the most important thing I shared with you, is how you can manage your thoughts and how you can start focusing on right things so that you start attracting results in your life. So you must have a very specific goals, what you want in your life. How you should practice gratitude. I shared with you about these gratitude. I love touching them. See, gratitude stones. Okay. So have some gratitude stones. Next is whatever you focus on expands. So focus on what you want. So vision board, create a beautiful vision board, and it's very simple. Just take out pictures of what you want and just ensure that you're seeing that every single day. And last I shared with you was about how you feel. Ask yourself, how do I feel? So if there's any moment that you're feeling negative or if you're down, just quickly change it, because that's very important, so that you can attract all that you want in your life. Okay, so I hope guys this session was useful. I just shared the best of the pieces that I could in the short span of time. And now if you're watching me live, there are two things for you now. If you are an entrepreneur, if you're a business owner, you can join my inner circle, wherein you can learn all these skills. You can build and work on all these skills, right? In the span of 30 days, you work on all these skills. Or also, just on Wednesday, that is day after tomorrow, I'm doing a live session of 2 hours, wherein I'm going to go in depth on what I have shared with you right now. Okay, so you can also be part of my free session, or you can be part of my inner circle community directly. So in inner circle, to be part of inner circle community, I will be sharing the link. All the details are mentioned along with the commercials. If you feel it is right for you, do get in. For me, if you're an entrepreneur, business owner, solopreneur, it is must for you, and it's going to change your life, right? So this is all, guys, from my side. Thank you so much. And if there are any questions, let me know. I'm still here for next couple of minutes. And yeah, that's it. So any question, guys, please share. Yeah, thank you, Ankit, for your responses. All right. Yeah, it was not a speech. It was a training session. So people often can get confused. It is a speech. Are you a motivational speaker? No, I am a trainer, and I'll really like to talk about those subjects. So thank you so much. Great. So I don't see there are any questions. And thank you for all those who have watched me. This was the first time I was taking session on BeLive. So hope it went well. Thank you again so much. Wish you all the best, and bye-bye.